Welcome to Tech Knowledge. Today I'm going to show you how to install Telegram on your Windows and create a Telegram account. As I already have an account and Telegram installed, so I have uninstalled it first. Then you have to go to your browser, then search Telegram and go to the first site, and then go down, scroll down. Don't go to other sites, just the first one which comes first. Then scroll down and see Telegram for PC. Click on Telegram for PC. There are 4 options, but you have to click on Telegram for PC. Then wait for download. I'm waiting for it. And here it is completed now. So if I show you again, here I have option for Telegram for Android, Telegram for iPhone, iPad, Mac OS, PC. You have to click on the PC or Linux. Then go to the downloaded file and you have to run it. Now click on it, double click on it and run. Okay. Then next, then yes, click yes, then next. You have to do nothing, just do next. Then install and wait until it complete, and when it is complete just click finish. Click on the finish button and here a new tab will come to your Windows screen, start messaging. And here is an important part: if you already have a Telegram account on your phone, then you can just log into your PC by scanning this QR code. But here, as I already have an account, but I'm going to show how to log in using your phone number or create one account. So I'm going to input my phone number, and here you have to select your country as well as, then give your phone number and then click next, and OTP code will be sent to your SIM number. Here I have clicked next. I'm waiting for the code, and when the code appears you have to input it here, and waiting. Here I have got my code. Now I'm going to input it and then next. Here it's completed. Your account is created, and thank you for watching.